Molweni izidwesha nezidweshakazi dumelang thobela absheng sanibonani. Do your greeting kaloku now that you here.
Molweni.
Khasichazela uhleka ntoni?
Hlelo molweni amaninzi in different languages.
Okay, bulisa ke izidwesha zami.
Molweni.
Uhleka
Yeah, shame.
Mambelani ke izidwesha masingamoyi lo usihlekayo.
Benzovela nje ndithi hi.
Yeah, young celebrity. Yakanonkwenkwezi. Molweni ke izidwesha. Sorry about that. No, I'm not sorry actually. Yeah, I'm sure you've missed her. I am trying to convince her for us to do another one. Yo, hayi sana lo mntana uyandiphepha kodwa ke sizwa kumfumana wena. Akuzuba kudala uzawuphinda abe lapha eqongeni. Asithethi ngaloo nto ke ngoku. Namhlanje into endithetha ngayo guys. Felt like, you know what, ndinigqibele kudala. I haven't paid much attention. Well, as you would know, okay, I'm busy with other things. But I just thought, let me bring this to you. There is something that I feel a lot of us are missing. You understand? We are missing the point, because I'm taking this from consultations that I have with some of you and just in general observation. Where we are missing the point as far as I'm concerned is when it comes to prioritizing, we understand, prioritizing amasiko, we understand, as opposed to Isithethe. I feel like we are failing, some of us are failing to distinguish between what is Isiko and what is Isithethe. In English, basically, what is culture and what is tradition, you understand? Or what is custom, what is customary and what is tradition. A custom is something that esikhula ngayo, isisekelo sethu, you understand? It is our foundation, it is who we are, you understand, as a people. Tradition is how we do things, you understand, as a particular geographic area, you understand, engingqini ethile kwenziwa ngolu hlobo, you understand. For example, thina in Alice, amakhwenkwe umgidi ikwekwe xa ibuye wenziwa ikwekwe xa ibuye entabeni. Whereas with amagqunukhwebe exesi umgidi wenziwa xa ikwekwe isiya. Sisithethe eso. It is tradition yamagqunukhwebe, nakuthi it is tradition yabantu basedikeni. You understand? It has nothing to do with the gist of the custom itself. You understand? Nothing will go wrong because we started with this or ended with that. You understand? Whereas a custom is the process itself. You understand? Even ulwaluko, if I can tell you, initiation is not, it is tradition as opposed to custom. But there is a part of the tradition that is actually custom. You understand? That is customary. You understand? And it is that is different for each and every home or every clan or every family. You understand? Ukwaluka is rather umncamiso, ukungcanyiswa kwekwekwe. That is what is isiko. Ukusikwa kwekwekwe ayilo siko, it is a tradition rather. And I'm challenging anyone onqwenela ingathi singane debate on this topic. But that is not where we are again. I was just making an example that I think can maybe ukubona can entice you to think about things, you know, deeply. Make sicinge nzulu ngezinye izinto. You understand? Now, what I want to bring to you is sometimes it can be detrimental to our progress. We understand progressiveness as a family. We understand us not being able to distinguish between what is tradition and what is customary. Let me make an example again. Utata kwa umkhaphanga awumbuyisanga kakazilelwa basically, and then again xa nimngcwaba zange nimenzele ilitye. We understand? Now other families I know, they would want to start with ukwenza ilitye. You understand? And eyokhapha nobuyisa sabe siyibone as if ilitye is more important because ilitye linomfundisi. Pastor must be here. Uyayiva ke, and we must be, at our best. You understand? Sitsala ikawu sisana siyotyhila ilitye likatata. But asimkhaphanga, asimbuyisanga. Guess what? Ilitye in our customs aliyonto. Asinalo isiko thina lotyhila ilitye singuntu. Indlu yakwantu ayinalo isiko lokutyhila ilitye. Tombstone unveiling for us is not customary. Thina kwakubekwa ilitye esivivaneni. You understand? Amatye ethu, amangcwaba ethu ayeba zindumba zamatye, as in umuntu ongakhange aphumelele emngcwabeni uye afike azokuphosa ilitye esivivaneni. You understand? There was tradition nakhona, it was not customary. You understand? Meaning ukungenziwa kwelitye akuzususa nto ebuntwini bakho. It is rather Christian. You understand? It is a Christian practice. Tombstone unveiling. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, by the way. There's nothing wrong with, I am going to do ilitye likamama mhla wabhubha. You understand? Definitely, I will not miss it. You understand? And I feel it is important, especially nowadays, because we live in areas that are, influxed. As a result, if you go to a cemetery, Aboma Avalon in Soweto, you understand, if you don't have a tombstone for your parent or your loved one, you basically, you understand. So it is important, but not important because kulisiko. Alikho andikhumbuli mna nethongo eli apho kuthiwa ndithonge utata esithi andenzelanga ilitye. Yeva, ukugodola has nothing to do with ilitye. Umntu obhubhileyo athi ndiyagodola akafuni litye lo mntu lowo, ufuna inkomo ethi mu, ekhalayo ngesiko. Isiko kukukhapha sibuyise umntu, kukumzilela. It is our duty to make sure that our loved ones, we set the stage, we understand, as they proceed to the next life. It is our duty, it is our responsibility to help them to cross over. Now, there is a certain way that people cross over, especially men. I'm not saying omama bazilelo, but utata, for example, iba izinkomo zimbini kuthi ke maxhosa. You understand? Uyakhatshwa ngenkomo aphinda abuyiswe ngenkomo. Eyokubuyisa inkomo inayo nebhokhwe ke yona ke. Should those things not be done, umzali wakho is not crossed over, trust me. Uzaba sendleleni okokoko. Now imagine you have ancestors abase waiting room for the rest of their afterlife. Because wena uchuze uhamba no pastor. When your father gets there, kuba into hayi bonisa lapha kuthwe kanti nawe usezawuba lapha, because kaloku anizuqala ngaye kukho abangaphambi kwakhe. That's another mistake that we make. Because now I have a job, because now I have a business, you understand, I'm doing well. You understand, when my father dies, immediately. But his brother, ubhubhe kuqala kunaye, kweyakhe indlu utata omdala akho mntu uphangelayo, yingxaki yakhe nabantwana bakhe singendawo. Nanzi ungamkhapha utata mna ngenxa yento yoba utata omdala abantwana bakhe bengasebenzi. Okanye bayasebenza qha bamisanga apho, uzixelele into yoba bazawuzibona mntakatata, singamkhaphi mntu utata. Fallacy. Biggest fallacy. In African tradition, kuhanjwa ngomnombo ngokulandelana nembeleko. It is invalid if uzakwenzela umntana wakho omncinci omdala ungamenzelanga. Lo umenzeleyo omnye engenzelwanga invalid leyo, ne? Maningadwabi kakhulu guys, ndinohambo. I'm on my way. I have a client around. She came on Friday. She's leaving today, so I'm rushing to drop her off at the airport. If you know Alice, kukude sana airport, kukude East London. And then, the client is a YouTube subscriber, by the way. And the client felt ukuthi, I just can't keep quiet, guys. She felt ukuthi I need assistance with my administration, and she got me something, guys. This is what, you know, being nonkwe. You know, khala nikhale, guys, ngiphinde nikhumbule kuthiwa to healing, health and happiness. Thank you very much. I won't say who she is, obviously. Kuthiwa kaloku azithethwe ezazendumbeni. Qha ke ndinebhongo nechamba mna ndifuza umamam. Soze ndiphiwe into mna ndingathethi. Ne-diary sana jonga. Planner yam. You understand? Because I'm always, guys, I hate having to apologize every other day. I'm so sorry I missed your appointment. I'm so sorry we have to reschedule. That's been my life because, guys, I just can't get things in order. That is one of my weaknesses. Ne-journal ke. Obviously, the ideas and thoughts for the videos. You understand? Sometimes I think of something and then I'll be like, oh my goodness, what did I want to talk about? It has escaped my mind. You understand? So this is going to assist me jot down my ideas. And the color, guys, look at the color scheme. You are so giving. You guys are so giving. Abanye, it's airtime. I never run out of airtime. Trust me, I am always covered because there's always someone. You can't 150. You guys are so kind. You guys are just too kind. I just felt, you know, I need to share this. So that's it for now. I have to go. She's going back to Joburg. Her flight, I think it's at 5:30. Right now, it's almost 2:30. Guys, I need to rush. Bye. Cheerio. Subscribe. And share the videos. Please do share the videos. Don't skip the ads. They pay the bills.
Please.
Now, good time, Elian. Thank you, guys. And you know, last month I paid school fees. Nge mali yakwa YouTube. One of these days I am going to show you guys how much I've been making so far, even with the few thousand subscribers. You know, I'm not big yet, but it's quite something. So I can't thank you enough.
Nam, I'm so thankful. You see, I got new clothes.
Hey, I can't go. Hey, I son of Papa. Bye.